Hello everyone, I am Dr. Purvi Deshmukh, currently pursuing PGDM in Hospital and Healthcare Management with specialization in Hospital Management from IIHMR Bangalore. I come from Surat, Gujarat and I did my MBBS from Tbilisi, Georgia. For me, COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the urgent need of enhanced hospital management to handle the crisis more efficiently. That's what got me interested to pivot my clinical background to non-clinical aspect of the healthcare. One of my batchmates from school was pursuing the same course who is an alumni here, and that's how I came to know about IIHMR Bangalore. Here at IIHMR, we have rigorous curriculum which covers variety of subjects, preparing us for the healthcare industry. The faculties are supportive, passionate, and experts in their field. Apart from academics, we have large number of extracurricular activities, events which are organized by student committees, giving everyone an opportunity to enhance and develop skills like teamwork, leadership, and time management. During our course, we had opportunity for summer internships, attending various conferences, health summits, etc., which gave us even broader understanding of healthcare industry. I overcame my fear of public speaking by actively participating in events like anchoring for conferences, debates, poster and paper presentations on national and international level, and even representing my institution and winning awards. We are provided here with mentors and placement assistants through regular sessions like soft skills, development, career counseling, and mock interviews, preparing us for placement drives and the interviews followed by. I'm glad to share that I recently got placed at United Hospitals Bangalore as Clinical Operations and Quality Manager, and I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my institute, my mentor, my faculties, and all the staff at IIHMR Bangalore. Thank you.